Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Back up to Google or an SD card and confirm Wi-Fi and at least 50% battery so the phone won't die mid-reset. Once done, remove SIM or micro SD if you prefer a clean card removal. Make sure you know your Vivo/Google account credentials and current PIN or password because you'll need them after. Now open Settings, tap System, then back up to verify everything is saved. When confirmed, proceed to the Reset option to begin. You continue by navigating directly to Settings System Reset options and tapping Erase All Data Factory Reset. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN or password. Do that, and then confirm the device owner Google or Vivo account to satisfy Factory Reset protection, which prevents unauthorized resets. Once you accept, the phone will begin wiping. Make sure you don't interrupt power or remove the battery while the phone erases and reboots, because interruption can corrupt the system and require recovery steps. You finish by completing the initial setup screens. Choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with the original Google or Vivo account. This restores access after factory reset protection. Make sure to restore your backed up apps and media when prompted. If you used local SD, insert it now. If the phone asks for credentials you don't have, do not keep guessing. Use account recovery on Google or contact Vivo support. One key troubleshooting tip: if FRP blocks you,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.